Exercise A1. Choose the correct answer. First, what does the cat Jenny Annie Dots do when people work during the day? A. She chases the mice from the kitchen. B. She eats and sleeps throughout the day. C. She sits and waits for the night to come. The correct answer is C. Second, why does the Gumby cat wait for the night to come? A. So that there is no one to disturb her sleep. B. Because she starts her work at night. C. Because she gets her dinner. Correct answer is B. Third, what qualities are important for Jenny Annie Dots? A. Good manners, eating proper food and doing something useful. B. Being lazy and sleeping all day long. C. Helping others. Correct answer is A. Fourth, why should it be difficult to find another cat like Jenny Annie Dots? A. Because Jenny Annie Dots is a very useful cat and she ensures that everything is in order in the house. B. Because Jenny Annie Dots is the last of her species in the world. C. Because Jenny Annie Dots is the laziest cat in the world. Correct answer is A. Fifth, why should we cheer for the Gumby cat? A. Because she is not lazy like her owner's family thinks, but works very hard to make sure that they are not disturbed when they are asleep at night by keeping the mice busy. B. Because she powers a popular belief that cats are the laziest and most selfish pets. C. Because she is the best looking cat in the world. Correct answer is A. And now exercise A2. Which of the following statements are true about Jenny Annie Dots? इसमें से ये जो नीचे स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं इसमें से कौन से स्टेटमेंट्स ट्रू हैं जेनी एनी डॉट्स के? द फर्स्ट, द coat of Jenny Annie Dot shows how weak and sick a cat she is. False. The family thinks that Jenny Annie Dots is lazy and does no work. True. The old Gumby cat is very hardworking. True. Jenny Annie Dots ensures that even the mice do something useful for the family. True. Fifth, Jenny Annie Dots likes to be looked after by other people. False. Sixth, Jenny Annie Dots' contribution to the family is a secret for them too. True. exercise A3. Now combine all the true statements ever to form a characterization of the old Comby cat. जो ये आपको लिखने हैं ट्रू स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं वो कंबाइन करके आपको लिखने हैं वो सभी. यू हैव टू राइट और ट्रू स्टेटमेंट्स in this exercise.